morning, Shun. I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today, I am going to teach you chapter number 22, sentences. Actually, based on the structure sentences, there are three kinds: for simple, compound, and complex. So about simple sentence, I told you yesterday. Today, I am going to tell you something about compound sentence. Compound sentence is formed by joining both okay, simple compound sentence is formed by joining two or more simple sentences So, compound sentence is formed by joining two or more simple sentences. There can be two simple sentences or more than two simple sentences. Each will have its subject and predicate on its own with the help of coordinate conjunction. Student, have you learned? Do you know about coordinate conjunctions? Which one is called coordinate conjunction? So now let me tell you coordinate conjunctions are pairing wise. When F stands for A stands for and N stands for nor, B stand for but, O stand for or, Y stand for H, S stand for so. So students, whenever you see these conjunctions are used in a sentence, you can easily identify sentence as a compound sentence. One more thing is there. Now let me tell you. First I will rub the blackboard. Compound sentence is having two independent clauses. Compound sentence is having two independent clauses. It means they are not depending on each other. Okay? One clause can stand alone as a separate sentence, and other clause can stand as a separate sentence. So they are independent. They are not dependent. Okay? And we can call main clause and coordinate clause. Okay, one main clause will be there and one other coordinate clause or independent clause. We can call those two independent clauses or one main clause, other coordinate clause. So compound sentence having two independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunction. So, compound sentences are usually joined by coordinating conjunction. Okay, let me give you example. And her brother reads well. Question: in this sentence, we can identify verbs and read word. Nita read neatly, and her brother reads well. So in this sentence, we are having two coordinate clauses. One, Nita reads neatly, and other is her brother reads well, joined by coordinate conjunction and. They are independent clauses. They can stand alone as a sentence. They can stand alone as a sentence. Okay. If we just rub this part, Nita reads neatly. This is also giving complete sense. Her brother reads well. This is also giving complete sense. So compound sentence means two independent clauses joined by coordinate conjunction. Okay, student, joined by coordinate conjunction. So I just tell you about coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunctions have fan voice. Okay, so fan voice they are called for your. You can remember it very easily. Fan voice. For your knowledge, I am giving you information about fan voice. They are called coordinating conjunctions. So let me give you some other example. Student, let me tell you something about now complex sentence. Complex sentence is formed by sentence is formed by joining complex sentence is formed by joining subordinate conjunctions. Okay. So subordinate conjunctions. Let me tell you about subordinate conjunction. Because, as, as, sorry. Although, unless they are, these are called subordinate conjunctions. So whenever you see these conjunctions used in a sentence, you can easily identify subordinate conjunction. Actually, subordinate conjunction shows reason, time, place, condition. Okay, so through this we can identify. So let me tell you one more thing. Complex sentence. In complex sentence, in complex sentence, we are having two clauses. One main clause and other subordinate clause. One main clause and another subordinate. Subordinate clause will be depending on main clause. Okay. So without main clause, subordinate clause cannot stand alone in the sentence. Let me write one example. Rohan could not come to the school because, now we are using coordinate conjunction, because because is showing, this is showing reason. This is showing reason, and this clause, because he was ill, this is subordinate clause. Depending on, this is main clause. This is main clause. Rohan could not come to the school. If in a sentence subordinate clause will not be there, the meaning of main clause will be completed. But if in a sentence main clause will not be there, the meaning of subordinate clause, because he was ill, it is not giving full sentence, it is not giving complete sense. So subordinate clause is depending on main clause for the completion of its meaning. Okay, student. So now we can say that complex sentence is having two clauses, one main clause and other dependent clause or subordinate clause. Okay. So in complex sentence we have used subordinate conjunction. So I have written some example of subordinate conjunction, and I think you know about those conjunctions. So you have to keep all